Dumelang landlord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Let us start ngomangwabe on Uthando Nesthembu, right? Umangwabe, guys, said something profound. She said, as the ladies, when we are together, no babum seluk asizwani, like there is a bit of tension. There's that thingy yokubonakalisa ukuthi no man, like akukho right. But this means ukuthi as individuals, when they are alone with their husbands, things are able to flow, things are able to be fine. The only challenge or the greatest challenge is when they are with their husband in the same space. Also, mabambulisa naye etafleni kuyisikhathi sokuthi babulisane bambulisa hayi ugirl sham, you could see ukuthi uyabulisa nje ukuthi akubuliswe kuqede. The coldness, I think her statement was based on that coldness. It was so cold, it was just not even funny. But one thing I like about umangwabe, consistent when it comes to this behavior of hers around the other wives. Umangwabe was asked the same question, ukuthi what is the importance of a family? And then Ugo answered very nicely to say protection, security, bumbana, understanding, it's supporting each other, like what the family vele means. And I believe ukuthi as abafazi basesithenjini, that's how it should be, because they are not married to this man individually, yes, but they are married into a family structure where it's a structure that they're supposed to support each other on, and maybe share values of some sort when it comes to that. And thus they need to support each other on one way or the other. At this point, we can see ukuthi umangwabe vele support uMakhumalo, is giving uMakhumalo the necessary support that uMakhumalo needs at this point, because uMakhumalo angisho now she's the one that is outcasted, but umangwabe is showing up and she's making sure ukuthi no, ugirl naye, she's got a voice, she feels like she's got a family, and she's not necessarily sidelined, and she's not all alone. Umangwabe naye is also going to be asked the same question, which it looks like she's going to respond by saying she used to love Umusamseleku, and Umusamseleku used to be umuntu for yena, but she's no longer there anymore. And by the snippet, uMacele is going to say, "Po usahlaleleni." Enhlizweni ngithi uMacele mara akasabi uqhugu yazi. Like, it's like, really girl, really when you said ifamily ingaqhubeka wazibala wathi umusa noma angazibalanga kuna problem, but now you want to dissect other women's responses. But yeah, nonetheless, I don't know ukuthi iyogqina kanjani, but I know ukuthi in the long run leso statement sizobaxabanisa, because remember, these women are very sensitive when it comes to each other responding to each other's ndabas, more especially because uMacele huye oyiqalile ugirl wamshem, uyoyiqalile ugeli ukuthi nje umuntu nomuntu akaphuma endabeni zomunye. So yeah, I don't know ukuthi iyophela kanjani, but that is what umangwabe is going to respond, and let us see ukuthi ihamba kanjani. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.